Alright, welcome. Welcome to the first Subway Slaughter. Yeah. This is supposed to be my... Okay, yeah, never mind. Not him. Not him. It's my group mate. Oh, this guy. Wait, do I know this guy? Oh, no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, I'm safe. He's not. Nice. Wait. Not nice. Okay, I know who to kill now. This guy tried to kill me. You first. Alright. Nate, good job. Whoever this is, I don't like her. Include you to the list. Now, kill this furry. I have no problem. Go here. I don't like this haircut. Welcome. Hey. Why is he doing that? There's a guy here. Is he dead? I think he's dead. Okay, never mind. Yeah. This guy's still alive. Yeah, we can't have this guy. Come here. No survivors. Join there. Alright. Why is this guy still... Just wait for him. Opportunity. Wait. Opportunity has arrived. This... Okay. Look at that. Shut up. This guy's a survivor. I don't think so. Okay, now I know. Okay. I think this is our daily one. This one's pretty much done. Yeah. Nice.